We are out here at Green Valley Lake. We're doing another solo mission today, but we are doing a 1v1 angler challenge today. So biggest fish between me and the other angler.
Let's go. First one. We have a little challenge, so I gotta make sure I record this. 9.61. Cool. Let's release him. Okay, I thought we were dead on the battery, but let's take a wait. Let's take a wait on this bad boy right here. Come on a little bit here. Look. 0.74.
So we're out here at GVL on a Friday, and it's fairly decently populated with anglers today. We've got 2 so far, and we're gonna get hopefully a couple more before we head out for the day. All right, we're gonna do a leader adjustment on the pole that's been catching pretty much all our trout today. Let's get that done.
This is the meter length we have this morning. We're going to bring it down about 3 to 4 inches.
Super clean restrooms.
All right, everybody. That's it for me today for fishing. I got to put in about 3 hours. Showed up a little late today. Had a late start. Got here at 7:30. Fishing all the way till 10:30 today. And I paid my $20. And that's it for me. Till next time, guys. This is the Commissioner, Big Kahuna. I'm out.